Hear me I say no, so me I try to show the people. Me and Black Rhino do a good song called Somebody Pitney. All area Somebody Pitney, you see me? Yeah, you might have one shoes, your pit probably stink or your teeth, one brush, you probably not have the toothbrush or the toothpaste to do it. Because some people, you get to me I say? Yeah no. So watch out now, the vlogger them all know, me not see no vlogger say, yo, Bombard, this is a good song, this, you know. Yeah man, we're going to review this. No. But if you say fuck you not ready for review it, that's why it's around the bone out what their phone and look a style at. You know, and you know why I do that video? I pre back the comments and the people and say some waste man blogger. I'll know our vlogger I won't know them, I'll know no review them song. You see somehow now I got dead. You know? And you never know the post that I reach so far. You know? Thanks. Yeah. So here we are going now. You know the thing though. What's a woman? And say vloggers and you never know say medieval say some of them are go dead, which is you know I'm mad at the time and I say vloggers them are go dead or whatsoever. You know one of my style that you see me? Big woman thing, people you know one of my style that. So what must I try show no is so quick and ready for run with that and that they all over. You get what I say? Example that again, you see me so you know at the end of the day big up Rapper Crap and big up the real vloggers somewhere we are support me so who take it the next way for the business that you see me yeah the people know the my style like I must feel away from you so yo they I do some good song and especially Rhino you don't know how to bring back Rhino to you see me because me could another set position than him up there and still have to do a song with me too you see me because I saw it go yeah you see me. Yeah, me a different kind of artists and couple of artists. The artists and some of them just only good for hype on them one another and it's in my style. Everybody know me humble youth. You see me? Big woman thing. Yeah, anybody can tell you. Anyway, see me on the road, they call me forward talk. And me that, you see me? Nothing change me, no car, no money, no song, nothing frightening me, you see me? Me just love music from my heart, you see me? Big woman thing. So, the end of the day, all of a sudden I see it a trend. I say, what? Me and Rhino sang a trend and this a trend I say it again is a good look. So it got bad publicity and good publicity, I say publicity. But you don't know, you just big up on yourself in the people. And all of the vloggers them feel away. You don't know a thing going on more time, you know where it trigger off and but you know my style that I never used to she no kill nobody, I used to she no robber, I used to she no thief, I she no this or that. And my style, none of them there. You see me? Big woman thing. Yeah, none of my style that. So the end of the day, it's a great look. You know, touch the road today and see a couple of young youth, me and Rhino sang on them phone and braces. You know braces up on iTunes, you see me? They look up on YouTube and all this, so it's a great look again. So you know, me say you never give up. I'm not too worried about people because you know me a bad artist and I can write, you see me? Yeah, so I'm not too worried about nothing. You see me? Yeah man. So you don't know enough people. So when I deal with remember braces video shoot, you know. Just wait till the Rhino song I done, you know, just chop that. And ladies me a phone me song to tell me I tell them make sure build 10 song phone. 10. So you know so coming this January, I just one culture after that I just lone girl song mix with the culture Sebro. Yeah, I feel doing and something. So I make sure I get on a giant boat and just alright the girl in my bar, you see me you know Rago George, I know the girl in I say, what I'm to you, where you feel it? You see me? Yeah, so when you see me, just say me a Garrison, you don't watch the colour, you see me? You don't watch nothing at all, me represent for Garrison. You see me? Yeah, me a youth, you not hide. Me a youth still the same, me nothing change, my friend can tell you. Who did it before all of this, and me and them still did it. Them can tell you, you see me, no new friend. No new friend come on, but would ever watch them when we don't see them back, I guess they never did it from day one. You see me? Yes, so the real day one friend them still there, so when nothing I go on tomorrow again, them see them when I go there. You see me? Yes, so big up all of my real brethren them. You got lucky I round them 2 seconds and a play sleep. You could have pay feet. My downfall, them sit down and a pray feet. But when you see them a beat it. Me see beat it. Tell them to stay white, space it. You want know if them real can look in at them face feet. That when you see them a beat it. Me like sweet but it's sticky like honey. Me not just them smile, they were pretty like money. Me know you know want see me time coming is a Benz. Me say why you want see me drive sunny. Same street, we up on the same street. See me bare teeth, and me no say nothing funny. So fake people turn some waste people. Now see a real G and him a wallet. Chris Capital, oh my lord. When me pocket fat, look how smile broad. Be a screw face when me broke like dog. No time at all, me no drop my girl. Drop a guard round them. You know it going up people, so big up on yourself, you see me? Yeah. Big up on yourself. My shops, you see it? So you don't know I'm going to start out myself, so Atlanta, you're right far away. You see me, I work on the EP, you know. People, I'm full of song, yeah, man. I'm full of enough video I'm there to put out. You see me? Enough new songs, so if you know me, I drop the car, I don't know a thing. You see me? My style is different, song is different. You see me? So as I say again before I leave, bloggers big up on themselves, so all who want to take it the next way, take it full way. And if you hear me say this and that more time, you don't know nobody not perfect, you see me? Everybody know my style. You see me? Yes, so I make sure I tag them and send them that. You see me? And a matter of fact, the other day I talk about Lord like radio. See? I show you, you know. I say, boom, I talk about Lord like radio. And where they hear about I talk about my song on the rhythm. You see? And then all of a sudden I see some vlogger put it out, say me this such man, me this that them and them poor me name, they call them and them just talk about my song. You get to me, I say, so I show you how people stay up. You see me, but them alright. None of them can stop me, so I go and do my work, you see me? Yeah, good music, you see me? So I go and do what I have to do, you see me? Yeah man, big up everybody who check in, you see me? So send them all of this and make them see what I want. Alright, watch out now. You see it? I go to boom and say, some waste man, rare, which is, yeah, they may feel away, if most have like that, you see me, I black away, man. Yeah, I say waste man, which is, as I say, I apologize to that. I say, somehow I got dead and everything. They're mad man, and some of my ex still make it, but I don't really mean that either, you see me? So I apologize to that. But look at now, the other day when I talk about my song, they want to go put it up and say, this a man, this that, the man, but they don't apologize to that. But me alright, so if you know want to pray, let's go and pray. Everybody knows some is a different thing. You never hear my name call up and nothing at all. No gun play, no gun, no killing, none of that, and no style. Like you notice my song when I'm sing, I sit down and mix every day, I never watch your eye, and I never watch an artist, I go and do my thing. Them a chat about you do your body, some y'all worry about your plastic, about your pussy so don't tell them say y'all stick. Baby post, panic the combos, I snap quick, your man so come home, say y'all wine, panic quick. Your arm make you come in not that quick, y'all skin up, boom flick and then your back flick. You did that tell me make we go up on the block quick. Now you can't take your pressure from the map stick. Lord God Lisa, your panty fly without visa. Your panty fly without visa. Remember your pum pum nah no passport, so you good no you can't leave. Yeah. Your panty fly without visa. Your panty fly without visa. Remember your pum pum nah no passport. You see me that I want to guys and out of the field. So big up on yourself people. You see me so send the vlogger them this and make them know so we are different youth and music me I deal it and tell some of the artists them stop hype and them one another. And that's why I know how we not reach now to you see me. You notice how the rapper them I live, yeah them live loving. When you say loving, I don't know what I mean, you see me? Yeah, straight talk, you see me? Yeah, we know as dancehall artists, that's how we not reach now to. I just few artists out there when all I wish it out there, because I guess I will just hype on each other, you see me? Which is me not hype on nobody either to what me tell you how some artists I know. So me glad me not have to depend on none, me glad me can write my own song them. Big up Bounty Killer, big up Conscience, big up Active, big up things that things. You see me, and them artists say, we're not now going to always call me and say, DJ, you're good? So I have to big them up right through. So you don't know people, big up on yourself. When I squash song drop, you know, I murder, you know. Remember me have song with me and Tommy Lee too. I murder, you see me? Me have a song with me and Lance too. Good youth, you see me? Wicked song too. So you don't know, me and Giselle have a song too. Me and Jada Kingdom supposed to work on a song too, but we not to start it out. But I want to wickedest guy song that too. So you don't know, they are going to work and now watch them. You see me? I go and do my thing because you see me know me bad. You know me talented, you see me? Yeah. So you don't know no people, big up on yourself, you know. That's how I say that, yeah. Lucky I round them 2 seconds and I play sleep.